Hi guys, guess what? Today I'm finally gonna do a George Michael. Well, I mean, Boy George. Oh my gosh, I get confused because they have the same name. Makeup inspired look. Yeah, I wanna go to a karaoke session. Oh my gosh, if y'all invite me, I'm sorry, but if y'all don't want to get embarrassed, then don't invite me. Cause if I ever do karaoke, I'm gonna sing "Do You Really Want to Hurt Me" by Boy George and the Champs Tequila song. Tequila, how y'all say it. But I was about to sing, but I'm cringe and I just feel like somebody's listening to me even though they're not. But I'm gonna be singing and I'm gonna be dancing weird, like so yeah, man, it's gonna be fun. But nobody is gonna want to sing 80s song. They're gonna sing like the current songs, but I don't really like the current music. I'm not even an 80s baby, but I love 80s music. I also love 90s music and 2000s music. I tend to listen to old music. I hardly listen to new music unless it's Megan or Doja Cat. Who else? Nicki. I can't think of anybody else. And a few reggaeton and corrido tumbados like Grupo Firme, Osuna, Maluma. Who else? But I hardly listen to Karol G. Okay, I gotta stop. So both Spanish and English music, I hardly listen to the new music that's going on. But sometimes I do. It just depends. But I just don't like it as much. It sucks to me, but the music used to be better back then, right? I wasn't even born, but I still like it. So yeah, I'm gonna try and do the makeup because I don't have his hat, I don't have his hair. Obviously I don't have contacts. He has blue eyes, I think. What else does he have that I don't have? His eyebrows is literally a different shape, and I don't have like glue or white paint to like mask my eyebrows and then start fresh. So I don't know, I'm gonna try my best. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing the robot. Listen, I haven't had practice since 1999. That's how long. But yeah, I'm gonna do those funky weird dances that nobody does anymore. I'm not gonna do twerking. I'm gonna do whatever flows my body, like cringe. So yeah. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. We'll see how this goes. So I'm just gonna do like his famous, not his most famous, but one of his music video. I think it was Karma Chameleon music video. Karma Chameleon, red, gold, and green, red, gold. That song. Okay, cringe, I know, but so you know what song I'm talking about. I had to sing a little bit. I think that's the music video that he's wearing like red lipstick, like his eyeliner is like really dramatic, and his eyebrows. I can't remember what shadow he was using. I'll try to put pictures in the video, so yeah. Wish me luck, guys. So okay, yeah, I'm gonna start now. But yeah, like I like his style, his makeup. He's different. Is he a boy? Is he a girl? That's so cool about him. His music. I don't know. I just think he's like somebody fun to recreate. I'm trying to do something different when it comes to makeup. I'm gonna try to recreate celebrity makeup or movie characters. I'm gonna try my best because I don't have SFX makeup products and the skill. I mean, it's hard, but I'm trying to venture out with as much as I can because I don't have every product. Oh, look, the necklace I just unboxed. I just changed shirt. Yeah, I just thought it was cool and I like his music, so why not, you know? I like it. It's dramatic and I don't know, I just like the makeup. I just really wanted to recreate it so bad, so Yeah, I forgot to mention his real name or his artistic name. Yeah, Boy George, but the group name or the band name is Culture Club. So yeah, I forgot to mention that. I thought he was an Aquarius because of his vibes and aesthetic, and I just love it. It speaks me for me because I'm an Aquarius. I know cliche is the typical stereotypical Aquarius, the vibes, the anyways. But no, he's a Gemini. I don't know. That's cool though. Scared. So I'm gonna try and do a talk through video if I have storage. So I'm gonna do the brows. His brows are like thicker here and thinner here, and they're dark. They're like black. So I'm just gonna shape them first with this eyebrow pencil and try and do the shape. Back then their brows were thin and dark. They didn't care. They didn't care about the hair. They didn't care. That's how it was. And now, no. Like imagine going out like this. Ooh, now it looks bad. So I don't know how to do it. I think it's just like that. I'm gonna do the same with the other eye. So I'm gonna apply concealer and try to hide my real hairs and shape my brow. Also, I can't decide what eye look to do. Probably just gonna do a simple one from the music video I mentioned. I can't tell because he moves a lot. I can't tell. It's not like a super up close. I probably do more than one of these videos of him. I don't know. Notice he has like yellow shadow right here and it's not blended, just right here, literally here. So I'm just gonna use the ColourPop honey eyeshadow palette. So I'm just gonna use this one. I'm not gonna blend it as much. I'm just gonna place it right there, literally in his under his brow bone. Like right here, he had a lot of space because his brows right here at the end were really skinny. So I'm gonna try, and the yellow he was using wasn't as bright. I don't know if it's because the quality is not capturing it back then, or is the shadow is just not bright. So I'm just gonna blend it a little like that. Like that. It's basically like a patch of yellow. So next, I think I have like gray. So I'm gonna use this limited edition Wet n Wild Kuromi palette. I'm just gonna use this gray shade. I'm gonna try and cut the crease. It's not visible because he's his eyes are not closed. They're open, so I can't really tell how far or how the shadow and where it's placed. So I'm just gonna guess. So it kind of looked like this. Obviously the yellow was more on top, but I have hooded eyelids and not a lot of space. I'm just gonna work with what I have. So that's all I'm doing. That's how it looked, I think, in the picture. I would use gray with yellow, so this is interesting. I like it. It's weird. So next I'm gonna draw his eyeliner with my NYX Epic Ink liner. I'm gonna start here. He used a lot of black liner, like intense. It looked like a cat wing. So I'm just going to plot the wing like that, and I think like that. I messed up. His wing is not as long. I'm gonna try and wipe that off, but for now I'm gonna use the MAC eyeliner pencil, and I'm just gonna fill in all of this black. little bit on top. So I'm just gonna do everything black. Well, I wonder what eyeliner he used back then, like what brand, and was it waterproof? I fixed it. He didn't wear lashes, I don't think. I'm just gonna wear a little bit of mascara. His blush in some pictures, he had like intense, like hot pink blush, like right here. He wouldn't apply blush here, just like on top of his cheekbones. But not in this picture, but I'm still gonna do it. This Milani Delizioso Pink blush. The closest shade, because his it was like mauve. It was a different shade. But like right here, like bam, like huh. And it's a trend now this year to apply blush only right here. He did it like 3-4 decades before. I'm bad at math, so it's pretty cool to me. Okay. This looks bad, but that's how the makeup was. I think. I don't know. I was not born at the time, so I'm just going by what I see in pictures and videos. So. You're probably thinking, well, we have to take her to the mental hospital. She's cuckoo. She's crazy. Imagine if I go out like this. Oh my gosh. Don't dare me, because I would. If you dare me, I'm gonna do it. I don't care. I'm gonna use red lipstick. Like, if y'all know me personally, y'all be like, oh, it's just Natalie being Natalie. But a random person, if they see me like this in the street, they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, what's wrong? She's a drug addict or something. I don't know. So I'm just gonna use this old red liquid lipstick. Oh, I should have lined my lips then. And he didn't overline his lips. He went with his natural lip shape. I forgot to do that. I always overline. Oops. Look at my teeth. Jeez. I'm just kidding. That doesn't go with this. Listen, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Oh, wait. I think I did a great job representing his makeup, but yeah, I look like the lady from Mulan. I just need to cry. Yeah, this is too much. If I had his hair and hat, I would look more like him, but like this, no. That I hope y'all like it. Bye. Karma, 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 chameleon. You come and go. You come and go. Loving would be easy because you're like my dream. Red, gold, and green. Red, gold, and green. Ha!